Be bold enough to use your voice, brave enough to listen your heart, and strong enough to live the life you have always imagined. With these mesmerizing lines, honorable dignitaries, respected teachers, and my dear friends, a very warm afternoon in Jaipur. On my right is Anchal, a girl who never hesitates in taking responsibilities and makes best use of her abilities and capabilities.
And on my left is Pragya, a wonderful orator and a girl with wonderful leadership quality. It is rather better to count stars in the sky than her qualities. And we together are here to represent a class full of unbeatable personas, class 12A. For you all, BBC stands for Physics, Chemistry and Biology, but for us, under the guidance of our lovely class teacher, Sangeeta Ma'am, has turned into perseverance beyond capabilities. Ma'am has taught us to judge things on the basis of right and wrong and not on the basis of good and bad.
Jaya Ma'am is the one for whom being practical in every aspect of life is as important as lab coats in chemistry labs. Or we will be out of the race in this competitive world as we are sent out if found without lab coats in chemistry lab.
No matter what is the difficulty of the numericals of physics, with a soothing smile and awesome dialogue of "Ye to tum log kar hi loge," the numerical becomes simplest of all. Women sir, you have always been a source of motivation for us. Sangeeta Sehgal Ma'am is a teacher who always forgave us for all our mistakes and was beside us in every ups and downs in these 2 years. Ma'am, because of you, more than the summary of English chapters, details about poets and authors were known. Tomorrow will be a surprise test was a 3rd degree torture in Central Jail. Thank you, Ma'am, for everything.
The journey was started from class 11 with students from different schools, different cities and even different states sitting in a class staring at each other. The time rolled on and we bonded like a family more than friends. And today is the time when the toughest job is to bid a farewell. With tears in our eyes and determination in our hearts, we are ready to give and take the best from the world.
You know, Pragya, what is the best memory of school life? Notes copy करते समय ये क्या लिखा है यार? And the friend replies, जो समझ में आ रहा है लिख दे, बाकी सब वो डिजाइन बना दे.
You are absolutely right.
To express our sincere gratitude to the school and its administrations, I would like to extend our token of love to the dignitaries. I now request the board of directors to ascend the stage and accept a token of love from our side. Dear friends, the dignitaries in front of us are the real source of inspiration. I now call upon Devansh, Deepshikha, Punni and Yash to give away the token of love. Thank you, ma'am. To continue the journey ahead, I would like to call Deepshikha and Janvi with the class report.
The journey of our class 11th and 12th has been full of exhilaration and excitement. The way of our colorful journey has been full of entertainment, laced with tiny spots of entertainment, also making it meaningful and resourceful.
Our class is a cell with beautiful and magnificent students like cell organelles. Each student has its own significance which cannot be undermined by other. Like a nucleus, teachers are the control room of our class and we have the sweet and sour memories of our 2 years journey as a blueprint encrypted in our gene now.
The children of our class have had a regenerating journey in which we had opportunities to grow wings and add color to our personalities and come out as a complete persona and a beautiful human beings. We all students of our class have excelled in different fields and might prove to be an inspiration to the upcoming batches.
Janvi, Unnati and Soumya have excelled superbly in graffitis poster making, beautifying the art of brushes on another level. Smarnika proved to be a marvelous painter in T-splash and poster making.
Shreya Maurya and Nikita Sharma proved their impressive oratory in Sanskrit by participating in Shlok Vachan. Shubhangi has performed outstandingly in sports, making her heads high in javelin throw.
Divyanshi, a multilingualistic girl who knows more than 9 languages and excels with highest marks in English.
Sujit qualified for the NTSC, teaching us that if we try, we can achieve anything.
Parth, an ardent reader of our class in this 2 years of journey, instilled the love for reading novel.
Pooja shows the importance of punctuality, telling us the importance of time by achieving 100% attendance.
Also, Janvi and Shreya emerged as a person showing the quality for performing the task with full of responsibilities and discipline.
Anchal and Shivansh are the supporting pillars of our class showing the quality of handling the situation with sensitivity.
Pragya showed her excellence through her oratory skills.
Ayush cracked the third position in IT Quest in Confist 2018 and first position in Gambit in Confist 2019. Also got the second position in IT Quiz in Mindrocks 2019 and secured the second position in group discussion and qualified for the finals in IT Quest. The students have got these golden opportunities through a guiding spirited and excellent teachers who have toiled for years to make our lives in such a way so that we can stand up and look straight at our difficulties and become a capable future citizens. Now, where words fail, music speaks. Now I would like to call Devansh on stage to serenade everyone with the strings of his
कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड एस्ट्रोसी ने पूरा नष्ट कर डाला। बचपन तो गया जवानी एक पल तो बचपन तो गया जवानी एक पल तो जीने दो ना 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 ना
Now here are the brigades of Sunbeam who work day in and day out for making the school a difference maker. ये वो हैं जो अगर कॉरिडोर्स में आ जाए तो हमें हमारे क्लास की प्रेजेंट डे स्ट्रेंथ पता चल जाती है. So I now request Gurmeet ma'am, Shefali ma'am, Prerna ma'am, Vibha ma'am, Ehtisham sir, Satyanand sir, Diba ma'am, Moshin ma'am, Saroj ma'am, Aarti ma'am, Neelam ma'am, Anita ma'am, Suparna ma'am and Rajdeep sir to kindly ascend the stage and accept the token of love from our side. And for the same, I request Shivansh, Pooja, Srishti and Isha. Thank you, sirs and ma'ams.
Sangeeta Tiwari ma'am, our class teacher, is a lady full of motherhood, a soulful heart who not only teaches us biology but fantastic lessons of life. She completes a set of class with with herself serving as mitochondria who always filled energy in all of us. आपके चंद पलों के लिए गुस्साना और अगले ही पल मान जाना हमें हमेशा याद आएगा.
क्लास में 3 तरीके के स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं. पहले पढ़ने वाले, दूसरे गुमसुम रहने वाले और तीसरे वो जो कसम खा के आते हैं ना पढ़ेंगे ना पढ़ने देंगे. I'm sure Sangeeta Sehgal ma'am would surely agree with me. She is a total sweetheart with a sweet smile, awesome expressions and inspiring soul. In 2 years of our journey, you not only taught us the lessons of English, but also the lessons of life, of how to tackle with difficult and unavoidable situations. With you, even the most negative thing came out with some positivity. Marks in English are the toughest thing to gain from you, but love and affection was equally distributed to all. We salute you, ma'am.
The teacher, because of whom each complexity of numericals and every concept of physics became as simple as possible. आपका हम पर भरोसा हमें खुद पर विश्वास दिलाता रहा है. वो 45 मिनट की क्लासेस, 2 साल का सफर हंसते खेलते आपके साथ कब बीत गया पता ही नहीं चला सर. And yes, physics बड़े आराम से. It's only just because of you. And this is going to pass on generation after generation until you are here. Physics was never going to be easy if we haven't got you as our physics teacher. Thank you, Vimal sir.
पहले सुनेंगे, समझेंगे फिर लिखेंगे। घबराना मत, आराम से समझना। Jaya man, you always cared and understood us. You provided us that threshold energy with which we can make covalent / the strongest bond with chemistry, and taught us to give our best to everything, be it masti or padhai. Still a lot is left to learn from you. We know you are always with us. Thank you. हमें 2 साल, पूरे 2 साल इतने प्यार से झेलने के लिए। Over to Devesh and Disha.
आज हमारा कारवां यहाँ से आगे जाएगा। मंजिल अभी दूर है, लेकिन ये मोड़ हमेशा याद आएगा। काफी यादें हैं इस मोड़ से हमारी। आशा है कुछ लम्हे सोचकर ये मोड़ भी मन ही मन मुस्कुराएगा। वादा रहा फिर लौट के आएंगे, थोड़े बड़े थोड़े समझदार ही सही, लेकिन वही बचपना एक बार फिर लाएंगे। वादा रहा एक बार फिर आएंगे।
No words can ever suffice to express the respect and love we have for all the teachers who have imparted us true wisdom and knowledge in the past few years.
Thank you for teaching us how to read and write. Thank you for guiding us to distinguish between what is wrong and what is right. For allowing us to dream and soar as kite. Thank you for being our friends, mentor and light.
Words are not enough to express the beauty with which you explain the lessons, and thank you for continuously believing in us in finding our real potential.
During the process of your teaching about life and its processes, about the beauty of the world and the functioning of the human body, you taught us to be hardworking like the heart muscles, to be strong like the bones, and to go with the flow of life like the body blood does. You are not only a great biology teacher, but also an amazing class teacher who always supported us and allowed us to live in the way we wanted to be. Thank you, Nilesh sir, for being the part of this journey.
We have attended our last class of chemistry. In the past year, we have learned much and forgotten enough. Thank you for an amazing year full of experiments and interesting lessons. Thank you, Deepak sir, for being a constant source of motivation to undergo any difficult situation with a smile. Kaushalesh sir emphasizes over maximal practical implementations of concept of physics. Even the smallest of our mistakes in our answer sheet are caught by the invisible school boss in your eyes. We know you always wanted to bring out the best from us. Thank you, Kaushalesh sir, for always helping us to understand our mistakes.
She is the one who gives you something to take home besides homework. Her words are very simple, but when you unveil its meaning, you discover some great lessons. But all that she speaks has a single motive. Do whatever your heart desires, but don't forget to be the human first. Thank you, Mashmi ma'am, for all you did for us. Over to Khushi and Shweta.
Google can give us millions of related information, but a teacher gives us a true knowledge. On my right is Shreya of 12th A,
And on my left, Khushi of 12th B. We are here to make our assembly special for our special teachers, that's none other than our optional subject teacher. For saying,
Neha ma'am, a lady with attractive eyes. Her words are enough to mesmerize. She counsels in her own style, and nothing is beautiful than her smile.
Ajit sir is known by his discipline and he is also known as NCC head and a council in charge as well.
Sukalpa ma'am, we welcome our nightingale whose melodious voice pours deeper into heart and touches our soul every time we listen to her.
Pradyuman sir is a coder of our life who not only rectifies our program errors but also teaches us life lessons.
Madhuri ma'am, a woman who is an excellent persona in the sports and the one who seizes heart of every child with motherly care. She is truly a divine figure for us.
Shashi Prakash sir played a major role in making our school proud by helping Sunbeam to relish their race as a star. He had played a role of a boxing referee in mukkebaz and Commonwealth game as well.
पुष्पलता मैम, इनकी ममतामयी मुस्कान है जो छात्रों के मस्तिष्क में उत्साह और उमंग का प्रवाह करती है। यथो नामा तत्व गुणा।
मंजुलता मैम उस शख्सियत को बुलाने वाले हैं जो सिर्फ उत्तम वक्ता ही नहीं अपने छात्रों के प्रति अत्यंत समर्पित है। For the same, I would request Neha ma'am, Ajit sir, Sukalpa ma'am,
प्रद्युमन सर, माधुरी मैम, शशि सर, पुष्पलता मैम, मंजुलता मैम, संगीता तिवारी मैम, जया मैम, संगीता सहगल मैम, विमल सर, मौसमी मैम, नीलेश सर, Deepak sir, Kaushlesh sir and our warden Pooja Madam Biresh sir for accepting token of love. We would like all of them to kindly praise their stage.
You are not only our teacher, a philosopher and a guide, but also our friend. We are grateful to you for your love, support and guidance.
Thank you sir and ma'am. Over to Riya and Arpita.
School literally means a place to study, but also a place to excel in all talents. Here we have a group always found studying. That's what makes them stunning. This is a group of studious. Of course, for us, it's not so melodious. Knowledge is not only what they have gained, memories are a special part which will now remain. So let's welcome Mr. Focus and Miss Focus of our class. Devansh, the day maker of the class. He is never on time, but with his performance, he will always shine. Deepshika, Miss Affectionate of the class, a hard-working girl with excellence in academics and computing. Sudeep, the silent observer of our class. He is a silent observer but responds quickly to the reaction. Shrishti Datta, the rising star of the class. She is a girl who is known for her voice. Anirudh, the French man of the class. With his least sentence in English class, he stood all India topper in French Olympiad.
They dance for laughter, they sing, but not the boring chapter. They dance in their own style, they sing, hiding their wicked smile. They dance has their own stories, and singing has classroom memories. So here we welcome dancing icons and singing stars of our class. Pallavi, singing sensation of her class, the girl who mesmerized everyone with her melodious voice. The girl with mysterious smile, with lots of potential to be explored, is a sweet Nandini. Shreya Maurya, the nightingale of her class, who sings with beat of her heart and the music in her mind. Nikita Singh, the twinning queen of her class, a girl who danced professionally with a ballet, is a ballerina. The power bank of her class, who rules everybody's heart and her cute smile with childish nature. Here comes Aditi Sonal. Sweetheart of her class, with magnificent and leadership quality, this is Janvi. Thank you. Now I would like to call Utkarsh and Farhan on stage.
At 8, Vladimir Nabokov once told his mother that he wanted to paint air. If I were a painter, I would paint daydreams. If that the only way for you to be with me. So here are the painters of our class. Smarnika, a girl who resides in everybody's heart with her adorable smile. Soumya Sharma, the silent soul possessing some great artistic features. Unnati Jaiswal, a calm and composed girl who is punctual and always ready to help.
Of all the innovations of humans, the computer is going to rank near or at the top as history unfolds. Computer science is not just those smart intellectual goodies. Coding in basements. Coding is extremely creative and is an integral part of almost every industry. So, computer wizards of our class are Ayush and Shreya Agarwal. So I go with Ayush first, the Google boy, who love to give instant reply for every query and whose presence is more than in school than in class. Shreya Agarwal, a good helper, mainly in chemistry practicals to find out Mr. Katan and Mrs. Anand, vice versa. Computers don't create computer animations more better than a pencil creates. What creates computer animation is the artist.
Now I would like to call Partha and Aditi to recite a poem.
वो पल जो यारों के साथ बिताए थे अब आंखों में बंद याद बन जाएंगे।
न जाने अब कहाँ फिर मुलाकात होगी, देर सवेर कब बात होगी।
बदमाश तो बहुत है मेरे यार, पर उनके दिलों में था समंदर जितना प्यार।
अब आएगी जो कोई मुसीबत तो किसे बताऊंगा ये जिंदगी की उलझन कैसे सुलझाऊंगा, ये जिंदगी की उलझन कैसे सुलझाऊंगा।
जब 11th में मिले थे तब थे अनजान जो आज वही एक दूसरे की जान हो गए।
कभी सोचते थे ये 2 लेक्चर मिलेंगे कैसे, जाने कब यहाँ 2 साल हो गए।
सुख दुख अच्छा बुरा सभी में रहे थे साथ, क्लास में सभी से करते थे मस्ती और मजाक।
लड़ते भी झगड़ते भी ये दिन यही काटते थे, क्लास से बंक मार के कैंटीन में मिलते थे।
याद आएगा हम सबको दोस्तों से बिछड़ना, रात रात भर जागकर सुबह देर तक सोना।
वो विमल सर का फिजिक्स पढ़े आराम से कहना, नंबर कम आने पर हम सबों को सहना।
अटेंडेंस ना मिलने पर संगीता मैम को मस्का लगाना, वो जया मैम की एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस और संगीता सहगल मैम का एक लैब का हिसाब लगाना।
प्रैक्टिकल फाइल मेरा भी बना दे, अब कौन कहेगा असाइनमेंट पहले करने के लिए कौन आगे बढ़ेगा, असाइनमेंट पहले करने के लिए कौन आगे बढ़ेगा।
फैकल्टी के पीछे अब कौन ठहाके लगा के हंसेगा, यूनिटी बनाकर प्रोजेक्ट कैंसिल करा लो अब कौन कहेगा।
लास्ट बेंच पर बैठने के लिए अब कहाँ लड़ पाएंगे, लगता है ये समय बहुत जल्दी बीत गया, अब ये पल दोबारा लौट के ना आएंगे।
कल ना हम होंगे ना कोई गिला होगा, सिर्फ सिमटी हुई यादों का सिलसिला होगा। जो लम्हे हैं चलो हंस कर बिताएं, जाने कल जिंदगी का क्या फैसला होगा, जाने कल जिंदगी का क्या फैसला होगा।
When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. So I feel privileged to call upon the peace ambassadors of our class. Please welcome Ria, a girl who has the capability to soothe everyone's pain with a beautiful smile. She is referred to as the Miss Charming Face of our class.
Yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others, said by Mahatma Gandhi, who is perfectly with our classmates. So here I call upon Janvi. A girl seen running all over the corridors has always been the first to help one in need. Shivansh, the one who never hesitates to take up responsibilities with a smile on his face. Achal, a strong pillar of our class, her helping hands are always ready, just like our evergreen flowers.
Now I would like to call Akarshan and Vaishnavi to introduce you to the next station of our journey. Thank you.
Realize that life is a school and you are here to learn and do your best in all your tests.
Problems are simply part of the curriculum that appear and fade away like algebra class.
But the lessons you learn will last a lifetime. Good morning and Jai Hind. We are here to present you the next 2 categories of our class.
Now I would like to introduce you all with the archaeological figures of our class. All of them started their journey from PG to class 12. They've lived their whole school life here and had surely made immense memories to cherish throughout. Please welcome them with huge round of applause. Yashashvi, the purest soul alive, she is ever ready to help each one of us. Harsh, the enthusiastic boy of our class, who is always ready to do the given task. Monica, the Snow White of our class, a very calm and peaceful girl who creates blossoms in the environment with her presence. Shubhangi, the girl who has that cool attitude and impresses everyone with the same. Ayush, the person who always has an opinion and has a question to each and every question of the teacher. Parth, the ardent reader of our class, you can find him everywhere with a book in his hand. Amir, the entertainer of our class, whenever you are sad, he's there to make you laugh. He's also referred as Zakir Khan of our class.
Let's meet the hidden treasures of our class. They usually found on sitting in the corner of the class, silent and busy in deep thought and creating innovative ideas. You might not feel their presence in the class, but when questioned, their creative minds give excellent ideas. Now here we have Shubhangi, a girl with a bold personality who is always ready to stand up for her friends no matter what. Next we have Mayuresh, the gag man of our class. He can find humor in every situation. Haste haste karja raste is his idea of life. Arpita, they call her Miss Perfectionist. She's as calm as a brooding clouds, as sweet as sugar, and made up of everything nice. Next, Nishtha, with her cordial and amiable nature, with her assets, she impresses every new person she meets.
Next we have Nikita Sharma to present her motivational poem before you all.
Thank you.
पानी को बर्फ बदलने में वक्त लगता है, ढले हुए सूरज को निकलने में वक्त लगता है। थोड़ा धीरज रख और थोड़ा जोर लगा, किस्मत के जंग लगे दरवाजे को खुलने में वक्त लगता है। कुछ देर रुकने के बाद फिर से चल पड़ना दोस्त, हर दीवार के बाद संभलने में वक्त लगता है। बिखरेंगे फिर से वही चमक तेरे वजूद से, तू महसूस करना टूटे हुए मन को संवरने में वक्त लगता है। जो तूने कहा कर दिखाएगा रख यकीन, गरजे जब बादल तो बरसने में वक्त लगता है। ओवर टू स्मरणिका एंड शिवांश।
These sentences or phrase mean different for different survivors. I hope you could have guessed the upcoming segment. Each time when I go on the field, I am walking all the way from the place I was born. And I carry the pride of my town. And they believe in me when you need the strength to go further. Just remember how far have you come. With these vivacious lines, I am obliged to welcome the sports figure of grade 12th A. Please welcome Udit, Janvi, Utkarsh. Udit is the bade dil wala of our class who is always cheerful and enthusiastic. Janvi is a hardworking personality with her skills of playing shot put. Utkarsh, Mr. Frenzy of our class, who has new ideas of doing everything and is a loving student of Jaya Ma'am. All good things must eventually end. I consider myself fortunate enough to have met all you lovely people that it makes saying goodbye difficult.
Now, this is the only person of our class who has excelled in coming every day to school without a day leave, under every circumstances. She never failed to get a present mark and also is a voter. Please welcome Miss 365 of our class, and she is Pooja Kumari, the beauty pie of our class. She is a comfort with her attendance and work too. Now I will request Kavita to present her self-composed poetry.
Thank you. आज फिर से दिन हुआ, आज फिर से दिन हुआ, आज फिर रात होगी, पर अब वो दिन ही कहाँ, जाने कब मुलाकात होगी। वो स्कूल आने की जल्दी, वो स्कूल आने की जल्दी, डांट खाने का डर, उनका माफ करना, उनका कुछ पूछना, सही जवाब का आना, फिर उस पर इतराना, ये कहाँ होगा। आज फिर से दिन हुआ, आज फिर रात होगी, पर अब वो दिन ही कहाँ, जाने कब मुलाकात होगी। वो छीन छीन कर खाना, वो छीन छीन कर खाना, इकट्ठे मुस्कुराना, कभी लड़ना, कभी झगड़ना, बात बात पर चिल्लाना, फिर उठ जाना। वो दोस्तों को मनाने की जीतोड़ कोशिश कहाँ होगी। आज फिर दिन हुआ, आज फिर रात होगी, पर वो दिन ही कहाँ, जाने कब मुलाकात होगी। साल ये भी बीत जाएगा, साल ये भी बीत जाएगा, नया फिर आएगा। वो केमिस्ट्री लैब का रिएक्शन, फिजिक्स का एक्सपेरिमेंट, बायो की स्पेसिमेन एक याद बन रह जाएंगी, फिर यही सिखाएंगी। आज फिर दिन हुआ, आज फिर रात होगी, पर अब वो दिन ही कहाँ, जाने कब मुलाकात होगी। आज बाल दिवस मनाने वाले, आज बाल दिवस मनाने वाले फिर आत्मनिर्भर बन जाएंगे। जीवन जीने का जज्बा सबको नया सिखाएंगे। अनुशासन, नियम, समर्पण यहाँ सीखा हमने सभी। अनुशासन, नियम, समर्पण यहाँ सीखा हमने सभी। विरासत बन रह जाएगी बस यही। आज फिर से दिन हुआ, आज फिर रात होगी, पर वो दिन ही कहाँ, जाने कब मुलाकात होगी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Kavita. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Amey.
I am Sujit.
And we are here to introduce next set of students.
Literature is my utopia. Here I am not disenfranchised. No barrier of sense shuts me out from the sweet, gracious discourse of my book friends. They talk to me without embarrassment or awkwardness. With the quote from Helen Keller, we would like to call literary geniuses of our class. The daydreamer of our class who remained in her own fantasy world. Here comes Kavita Chaudhary. Nikita Sharma, Rapunzel, a very good poetess, a girl who never gave up. Akarshan, the honest and high-spirited girl, believes in herself always.
He who wants to pursue should not put his trust not in the right argument, but in the right word. The power of sound has always been greater than the power of sense. Now I would like to welcome the orators of our class. Please welcome Pragya, the impressive voice which resonated our heart, the girl who articulated the logic in a fascinating way, with the glorious face of her class. Now please welcome Divyanshi, the girl who knows many languages like French, Spanish, German and many more, and hence is referred as Miss Multilinguistic. Please welcome Vaishnavi, the girl with the most beautiful smile who is always happy no matter what the situation is. Please welcome Ayush, the batchmate who is always ready with the answer even when the question is not asked to him.
Now we would like to call Nandini for further proceedings.
Smiles are fat-free, reduces blood pressure, and helps in relief pain and depression, and require no batteries and absolutely free of cost. A smile is a frown turned upside down. A smile brightens a dreary day. A smile chases our tears away. Smile is a gift that shows you care. A smile is priceless no matter where. A smile is a sure sign of success. So here we have the most evergreen smiling faces who express friendliness in class with their smile. So they are Parth, the laughter king of our class who attracts everybody with his laughter and witty humor. Aditi, the power bank of our class who rules out everybody's heart with her cute smile and silent behavior. So here comes Aditi Sonal. Farhan, the chit-chat chatterbox of our class, who always there is in a jolly mood, with the perfect qualities of sports team. Here comes Farhan over. To continue this journey, here is Pallavi and Srishti to mesmerize you all with their melodious voice. Thank you.
चेहरे बदल गए हम भी अनजाने राहों में हमें रुला दिया पल में हंसा के फिर रह गए हम भी राहों में थोड़ा सा पानी है रंग है थोड़ी सी छाँव है चुभती है आँखों में धूप ये खुली दिशाओं में और दर्द भी मीठा लगे सब फासले ये कम हुए ख्वाबों से रास्ते सजाने तो दो यादों को दिल में बसाने तो दो लम्हे गुजर गए हो अचरड़ी फिर खिलौनों के तू जीते मैं हार जाऊं आजा करे फिर वही शरारतें तू भागे मैं मार खाऊं मीठी सी वो गाली तेरी सुनने को तैयार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ मैं कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा मान जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ रे कबीरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाहिया रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा
Today, all of you are going to spread your wings to explore your whole world. But at the same time, I am in grief and pain. But the next moment when I start thinking that what I am going to see in future for all of you makes me happy. In future, I know that all of you are going to be the brightest star of your own sky. Always think big and be optimistic, because those who think, they can. Make this world worth living for everyone around you by your action, words and empathy. Always become the brand ambassador of the virtues which you have imbibed from your home, from your parents, from your family, from your friends, school and society. Every one of class 12A has their own grey matter and emotional intelligence. It is very difficult to name everyone at this moment, but still the helping hands of Aanchal, Janvi, Shivansh, singing nightingales like Pallavi and Shreya Maurya, the academic geniuses Udit, Srishti and Devansh, as well as the computer master Ayush, fighter Pragya and Ayush again, and many silent workers who continuously work together to make this class a memorable class. Always remember that the failures are the only way to move towards the success. और जाते जाते एक बात हमेशा याद रखना, इस पथ का उद्देश्य नहीं है शांत भवन में टिक रहना, किंतु पहुंचना उस सीमा तक जिसके आगे राह नहीं। जय हिंद।